So today I used the ORS Curls Unleashed products on my hair. I used the Cocoa and Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Cream. And then after that, I followed up with the ORS Curls Unleashed Coconut and Shea Butter Curl Amplifying Gel Souffle. Now it is several hours later and my hair is dry, defined, soft. It smells so good. I got compliments on how my hair smelled all day long. And it's soft, it's bouncy, it doesn't feel sticky or like jelly-like. There's no flaking. There's really hardly any frizz. I picked it out and it's been drying all day long. Actually, the clips you guys saw of me doing my hair was this morning, and this is now several hours later after I'd gone to work and school and come back with my hair dry. So the conditioning cream really soaks into your hair. It looks like this. And it really soaks into your hair. I mean, your hair really drinks it up and it kind of melts in. It's not like a leave-in conditioner that kind of sits on top or anything. It's not a spray, but it did really mesh well with the gel souffle. Now, you guys know I love my gel products, so that's why I reached for a gel, because they also, thankfully, ORS sent me a blend of products. They sent me a bunch to try, so shout out to them. But this is the one I tried, and it smells literally like blueberries, and this is what it looks like. But I mean, I actually spilled some, which is why there's some missing. But I mean, it smells so good and it really defines your curls. At first I was a little skeptical because it defined my curls almost like, not in a way my hair usually looks when I use a product to define it. It almost looked kind of wavy, and it was like pretty limp, but as it dried, you guys can see I've got some pretty nice definition here. And I mean, the curls are soft. They're bouncy, they're defined. My hair is big, which you guys know I like my hair to be big. But I mean, these two products are the only things I used to style my hair today. And they did a great job. Like, what do you guys know about styling your hair with two products? And I don't even know if I can count the leave-in conditioner, because I mean, you should always put a leave-in conditioner in your hair. But I mean, wow, wow, wow. Like, they really did that with these products. Honestly, I'm kind of just shook at how little it took to define my hair when it came to the gel, and like how well it defined my hair. And the fact that there's no like sticky residue, no flaking. I mean, I'll have to see for my hair on the next couple days to see if I get any flaking. But I mean, my hair feels good, it's soft, it smells amazing. Everybody kept telling me today, like my friend actually goes, I kept wondering what smells so good, and Ange, it's your hair. So I mean, these products really did that. And I also really, really like the leave-in conditioner. Like, I think the leave-in conditioner would be great if you do the baggy method, which is when you put in a conditioner or leave-in conditioner on your hair for moisture. This would be a great product to use. And you get so much out of these products. Like, they give you such a large amount. It's not like this tall, skinny bottle with hardly any product in it. I mean, 16 ounces of hair product. And they smell good. They work well. I mean, even this one smells really good. I don't even know what I'm smelling anymore. I just know everything smells so good. And I mean, there's some ingredients that I don't recognize in it, which isn't always my favorite thing, but they work really well, and they are water-based, which is great. So, I mean, it says the leave-in conditioner moisturizes, defines, and elongates natural hair. And as far as the gel souffle goes, it says it moisturizes, defines, and elongates natural hair. So it says they do the exact same thing. And I mean, I think I definitely see that. My frizz is very, very minimal. I have some frizz here, which is usually actually where I have frizz, because that's the part of my hair that I pick out the most. So it actually doesn't make sense that I have frizz there, because otherwise my hair will be like this. So I pick that section out the most. So it actually makes sense that there's frizz there. But otherwise, I usually get a lot of frizz at the bottom of my hair and not a lot of definition. But I mean, I have definition all throughout, which is amazing. Like, you guys, I'm living. And maybe also my hair is getting much healthier and it's really soaking in these products way more than it used to. But I don't know. I think they really did something here, because like this is amazing for a 2-styler wash and go, really. My hair was damp when I applied everything. I had just washed it and kind of just tied it up so it was damp. But I mean, I am shook. Like, they did that. Wow. And this is actually my first time trying these ORS Curls Unleashed products. I've never actually tried them before, but they sent a bunch over and I am thoroughly impressed. I can't wait to try the rest of the products that they sent me. But so far, these two like really did it. I'm so impressed. Like, I am in love with these. I really don't have anything bad to say. Like, I feel like I look like the girl in the jar. But regardless, like, I'm thoroughly loving this, and I just love how good my hair smells with these products. So I'm super happy I tried these. Like, this was a great, very last minute wash and go, because I also didn't know I was gonna wake up this morning and wash my hair. But I was like, let me wash my hair and try these products, and they're awesome. So at this point, I'm just rambling. I love these. I will link down below where you guys can get them. Thanks again to ORS for sending me these products, and I will see you guys in my next video.